This positive mind entrainment session has been set up to help to retrain your mind and encourage healthy eating habits. Throughout our lives, we can accumulate a lot of unhealthy thoughts and habits with regard to how, when, why, and what we eat. We may eat due to stress, boredom, or depression, or our mind may have been ingrained with the thought of not wasting any food. By introducing healthy, positive eating and drinking thoughts into our subconscious mind, we can change the balance in our mind and will soon find ourselves naturally making healthier choices. This entrainment session has been written in the first person. This teaches you to realize that you are in control of your own thoughts and that you will be choosing the direction that your thoughts are going in. So what I would like you to do is find a safe, comfortable, quiet, and relaxing area to sit where you will not be disturbed. Place a comfortable chair in this area. Turn off any equipment that makes distracting sounds or lights. Ensure that you are positioned so as to stay awake and yet be relaxed and comfortable. And now let's start. I will now sit down in a large relaxing chair. I will put my feet and hands in a comfortable, supported position. And if I like, I may rest my head against the back of the chair. I am picturing myself sitting in this comfortable chair. Now I imagine in front of me a large stone fireplace with an active, controlled, warming fire. I can feel the gentle warmth on my feet. I wiggle, stretch my toes, and the muscles in my feet start to let go. This warmth and relaxation is moving up my legs, and I feel the tension floating away. As it reaches my hips, warmly nestled in this chair, I feel a grounding of my body. The tension releases in my pelvis, hips, and lower back. This warmth is pushing up into my spine and encompassing my torso. I start to feel the gentle rhythm of my heart, the steady rise and fall of my chest. I become aware of my breathing. My chest fills with the warm air and oxygen. I take a deep breath, hold it for a second, and then release. And the air and tension flows out of my body. I feel the comforting warmth fill my shoulders and flow down my arms and into my fingers. My shoulder, arm, and finger muscles are letting go. The tension is melting. The warmth continues to ascend up my spine and into my neck. I feel my body lining up as my life force flows freely up my spine. Tension in my neck is releasing. My body is feeling wonderful and relaxed. I am comfortably warm, listening to the rhythms of my heart and breath. I look at the fire dancing in the fireplace. I am focusing intently on the color and energy of the fire. All of my senses are focused on this comforting fire. And as I watch the fire, I realize how important and valuable I am. I deserve to have a healthy mind and body. I love healthy food. I love to drink lots of water. I drink a glass of water first thing in the morning. I plan ahead to always have healthy snacks and meals. I love the taste and crunch of raw vegetables. I eat healthy oils. I eat high fiber, nutritionally dense food. I enjoy preparing healthy food. I love light meals and snacks. I use a small plate. I like small servings. I eat only what I need. I love the cool, refreshing, clean feel of water. I always drink a glass of water before I eat. I am seldom hungry. If I feel hungry, I drink water right away. I listen carefully to my body before I decide to eat. I savor and enjoy my food. I taste every bite. I chew my food well. I only eat when I feel hungry. I eat my meals and snacks slowly. I always leave something on my plate. I stop eating before I feel full. I listen and acknowledge my feelings so that I don't confuse them. If I'm bored, I drink water and maybe go for a walk. If I'm tired, I drink water and I might have a rest. If I desire to increase my happiness, I may call a friend or listen to music. I deserve to eat healthy. I am valuable. I love and respect who I am. My mind is divinely loved. My body is divinely loved. In the evening, I prepare for the next day. I prepare light, healthy snacks, and I prepare light, healthy meals. I always make sure there's plenty of water available. I treat myself with love and respect. I am proud of who I am. I feel alive. I love my body. These new truths that I have learned, I will remember and rehearse frequently in my mind. And in this content and satisfied state, I feel the energy from the fire has filled me with a passion for life. This fire has filled my mind with a new and positive way of thinking. It has ignited a love for my body and mind. I can see the fire in the fireplace has settled. Gently, I move my head from side to side, forward and back. I can feel the energy returning to my shoulders and arms. I take a deep breath, and the cool air energizes my chest and spine. As I move gently in the chair, I feel my hips and legs awaken. I wiggle my toes and stretch the muscles in my calves. My body feels rested and alive. I awake feeling energized, powerful, and in control, aware of the new direction I am moving in, and loving the person I am. Now, in order to strengthen these new thoughts into your mind, try to listen to this video frequently throughout the day and before bed. These healthy thoughts will become ingrained in your mind, leaving no room for the unhealthy thoughts of the past. Blessed be, my friends.